To create a welded assembly with meviy, there are three important things you need to take into consideration before exporting your file from SolidWorks. First, the welding service is designed for sheet metal plates. This means that you can weld plates with other plates, and you can also weld a bent plate with itself, for example, when closing the corners or edges of a bent sheet metal part. You can also create welded assemblies made from multiple sheet metal elements, such as bent plates and flat plates. In this example, we have a bent sheet metal box. The goal is to weld the open edges of the box and reinforce the structure with these two ribs. The second thing to consider is that other features, such as welded nuts or threads, should not be included in the exported 3D model. These features should be removed before export because they will not be recognized correctly as part of the welded sheet metal geometry. Instead, they can be added later directly in meviy as dedicated features. So in this case, we go back to the version of the part before the welded nuts were added. Alternatively, you can also suppress or remove those features and export the model without them. The important point is that the file you export should only contain the sheet metal plates that are part of the welded assembly. The third and most important rule is the distance between the surfaces that should be welded. The gap between the surfaces to be welded must be below 0.15 millimeters. This is necessary so that meviy can correctly recognize the contact areas as weldable surfaces. If the gap is larger than 0.15 millimeters, the system may not detect the area as suitable for welding. Once the model only contains the relevant sheet metal plates, and the gaps between the weld surfaces are below 0.15 millimeters, the part is ready to be exported. Now we can save the prepared model as a step file and continue with the setup in meviy.